We are here with the head coach of the U.S. men's national team, Mauricio Pochettino. First of all, we'd like to thank the Jamaican Football Federation for hosting. If you have a question, please raise your hand, and we are ready to begin.
No question?
Please.
Coach Chris Scott here, TVJ Sports. You came in an arena packed with a lot of eager and excited Jamaica fans. How will you manage to silence the noise and stick to the objectives and get crucial goal and a win heading into the second leg?
Well, I think the first step is done. I think to congratulate my player because in a difficult situation they compete really well. We compete really well, and I am so pleased. Of course, that we need to improve in all the areas. That is logic because it's only 1 month that we are working. That is only our second camp. But I think to come here, face and play again Jamaica with very good player, I think was tough for us. I think we defend well in the second half. We concede some chances that maybe Jamaica can score, but I think overall I am happy in the way that the team compete. We didn't concede. Now we need to prepare the second leg in St. Louis. It's going to be tough because Jamaica, like today, they show today that is a very good team and they have very good players.
Other questions? Go ahead.
Also, in the second half, we saw that the Jamaicans actually came back and applied a lot of pressure. How were you able to kind of soak that pressure and still be able to maintain the score at the end of the
I think for us is really good to have this type of opponent like Jamaica to make us to realize that we need to fight to match the aggressivity of the opponent. It's true that it's CONCACAF and it's no easy competition, but we learn. We need to learn, and today is another step that was in Mexico. Learning is easier when you win the games to learn. You can learn fast, but I think, yes, tough game. We need to be pleased and now to try to design all the strategy to recovery and be ready for Monday.
Any other question?
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, guys. Thank you.